Warning for circumcision education only.
Gomcos come in 3 sizes. 2 clamps go on, one at the 3 o'clock spot on the foreskin. I'm sorry, but one at 10 o'clock. Make sure you're grabbing just the foreskin and not the urethra. You don't want the urethral strip. It's going to break up any adhesions. We insert right in the foreskin. Make sure you temp the skin up so you don't wind up intra-urethral. We're going to gently slide down to the base of the foreskin. Okay? And we repeat the process with just one end. Go down and clamp. Anything that gets clamped gets cut.